Well, the transmission tunnel is just about done. I've got to build something right here. I've got another spot just on the other side where the shift linkage is. And I'll show you that in a minute, but that's what I built so far. So that's off that tip of the floor right there. And then this piece goes, well, as you can see, covers the rest of the transmission. So this little section right here, I've got a little plate I'm gonna put on there, and that thing should be golden. I made a hole in the floor here so that a person get to the master cylinder if you're going to put some brake fluid in it or anything like that. So you can see what I got going on there. So it should be able to make that little cover, and that thing will be good. And then you can see where that linkage is right there. Yeah, stupid thing right there. So with that, hope everybody's having a great Friday, and I got some stuff to do this evening, and I will be back on it tomorrow, hopefully finish it. Cool. Bye.